Hello everyone, this is Sumit and this is the fourth video of pygame tutorial series, and in this video we will see how to draw lines, rectangles, polygons, and basically we will focus on draw. So before getting started, I'm gonna show you something that I have created a game that is TikTok toy, which also runs on AI, and AI is not working properly because of less data. But if you want to play with this, you can check the description box. I have given the link in the description. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to write a basic code, then we will start with the draw. So that's while true for, and that's for event, and then we have to update the screen, and also we have to flip the screen, and that's it. It's working, I think. Let's check. Let's change the values to 55 so we can see it's working or not. So it's working. So let's start with the pygame.draw line. So in this line, first thing we have to specify where we want to display the line, and then we have to define the color and two sets of coordinates with xy value of starting point and of ending point, that is 0 0 and 1000 1000, but it's not visible, so I'm gonna increase the width of the line, and let's say 10 is enough for that. And now second is pygame.draw rectangle, and other things are same for the line, but here we have to specify the coordinates x and y where we want to display the rectangle, and then we have to specify the width, that is 50, and the height, that is 50. That's not the coordinates, these are the widths and height. And then we can also specify the width line, and also the border radius. So first increase the size, so I'm gonna say 10. Let's increase, as you can see here. Okay, now it's visible clearly. Other thing, we can define the radius of border radius, so I hope you can see. Let's increase, and as you can see here, the border radius is showing. The other thing is we can also store that inside the rect, and but that's not something an image, so we can't take the position of that rectangle by using get underscore rect, something like that. It will throw an error. So this is that rect is a positions, or already a position. We do not have to access that. So if you define the rect dot height is equals to 30, and there is no difference because we are storing that value inside the rect, we are not changing the actual rectangle. So that's why, because we can use that rectangle in another place, and we will see that in the next video where we can use that rectangle. So other thing is polygon is also same as it is. We have to define first the screen where you want to display that polygon, then the color, and then the list of coordinates. And I'm gonna define 3 coordinates here, so I think it will make a rectangle, triangle, and then we have to define the width of the of the line, but we can't use the border radius here. So let's increase the coordinate. So I hope you can see this clearly. Other than this line and rectangle, we can also make more than these. So let's see. First thing, as you can see here, we have seen the line, and we can also see the lines here. If you want to know more about these things, you can Google it, and you will find the more and the detailed answer about that. rectangle is here, ellipse is also here there, and polygon, we have seen polygon, and arc that's very important and that's also interesting, and circle is also there. We have to define the coordinates and the radius of the circle. So let's see what is arc. As you can see here, the circle where you can see the 4 different arcs of different colors. Okay, now let's save this file as a tutorial 4, and I'm gonna upload this file on GitHub, so you can see how we can upload that. And there are lots of tutorial on YouTube about Git, so you can see from there. So let's go inside that and git status, git commit, and git push. You can find the link in the description, so you can get the code from there, and we will see a game in the next video. So take care.